Hi all, very good morning. Today I'm going to speak with you right now. How Miss in your mind doesn't word come properly because of we are talking in our environment, we are talking in normally we are thinking in our mother tongue, using our mother tongue. So that's why we cannot use properly the word, because we are thinking in our mind, it's only using our mother tongue. That's disadvantages of you are not talking with a fluently in right manner. If you are using a right way, means if you are thinking to start in English, try to be, this is a positive way that you can achieve your dream in your achieve, then you can possible to talk in English with a properly. And many of those are telling like, means ma'am, we cannot talk with properly, we cannot speak English fluently, so what can we do for these things? So we are talking with you, we are talking about same topic. You're coming here. Hi all, my name is Pallavi and I'm talking with you right now how to overcome your fear speaking on English, how to speak English with anyone. You can start with your journey with me. Start to talk with me. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment with me. See, I want to tell you many of steps that I have been achieved. Many of those things that I already achieved in my life. So I have to I have to see this thing. You are being, means you have been talk with me, and you have to follow my strategy, you have to follow my things that I have been following in those days. So I'm going to talk with you right now. If you don't know about anything, how to speak, how to write English, see, I miss already in my grammar, in my grammatically, I was strong, very strong in that. So many of cases, most of the people are going in that only in grammatical forms, means they only focus on only grammar, they are not focusing in speaking. See, grammar is a different part and speaking is a different part. We should have to know about where to use our grammar properly, and we know we should have to know about where to use it properly in a speaking manner. So you should know about where to use that sentences. Means I'm coming with you a can word, using can word most of the cases while we are speaking in our regular manner, in our present tense, in our past tense, and in our future tense. We always use that can word. Means can word we always use in a present manner, this present situation. And most of the cases we are talking in a present tense, right? Most of the cases we are talking in a simple present tense, and we are using their simple sentences in present tense. So most of the cases, if we have to use can word, can word, they are most of the positive word that can achieve everything. So that's why I'm coming here to make your doubt in a can word, can and could. Can is a present tense and could is a past participle. Can word is a present participle. Okay, so let me share you one thing using can word. Yes, if you wanna doing these things, you can use here your sentence like, yes, I can speak fluently in few days. I can speak fluently in few days. Repeat this line 2 or 5 times in a day that comes in your life, it will be positive, sure, because this is a confident sentence that you can do it from your side will be positive. So let me tell you another thing. If you are using this sentence like, I can speak fluently in English, within few days, so use this word. And if you are talking how to think in English, you don't know about that, so try to be speak properly. Means you know this sentence, okay, you know the sentence, you have to use that, you have to use there, but you don't know the meaning of next word. So you can use that word in your mother tongue. Okay, and after that just complete your sentence like half percent English and half percent Marathi. Sorry, in your mother tongue. You can use their mother tongue. My mother language is my mother tongue is Marathi, and I always speaking in Marathi in our house. We never ever used English language in our house. But most of the cases, when I talk with my kid, so that's time also always I talk with my kid. I always talk with my son in English, that he can achieve everything, he can learn many of words from me. So that's why I'm using that words means English sentences. But let me tell you guys, speak fluently if you are trying in a way. So you are in a there was a doubt like they don't have an environment how to speak how to speak English in environment. Our environment never creates an energetic never creates environment of English language. We are always using a Marathi, we are always using our mother tongue language. So what could we do, ma'am? What could we do? So I want to tell you that people, okay, no worry, no issue in that. Most of the people had this same problem. Most of the people having same problem. They are facing, each and every person are facing same problem because they don't have any environment, and they don't have environment, that's why they are not able to speak properly. So I want to tell you, I wanna say this thing. For this, you try to speak with yourself. So you are again asking to me same question, how to speak myself, how to speak yourself. But if you are thinking in your mother tongue, you are thinking in your mother tongue, so why cannot used in there? Try to be think in English. Why not? Try to once, you will be achievable. Means that after that when you think that word, you will be enjoyable. Means that journey you will be enjoyable. And after that when you think in a proper way, words automatically comes in that situation. Means take a one topic and speak by yourself. Means you can take your topic, introduce yourself. So start from your name. Where do you live? What's your name? What's your father name? What's your mother name? And what do you do in life? And what are your hobbies? Try to be use those sentences in one paragraph. If you are not thinking in a way, try to be writing in the form. Hmm? First you write those things that can you will think on that after that. So try to be understand, try to speak with yourself and write in a page. After that thinking comes, and after that automatically that words come out. I want to tell you my journey when I was means I don't understand, means I understand English language, but I didn't speak very well. That time always use my funda, my strategy. This is my strategy. When I was means early 5 years, before early 5 years, I haven't means I had not any daring to dare speak with anyone. I could not achieve a very nice things when there was a situation. I had to present my presentation in earlier college, and means and I had never faced any presentation. Means I had presentation in my college life, in my project wise, but I never ever present myself to our heads like HOD, principal, and many of those. So I faced this problem, and I was depressed on that. Means not depressed, but I was thought many of thoughts there, and I was I was not means I was not dared to present that too much. So that's why I decided I have to learn. I have to learn this thing and I have to focus. I have to face each and everyone, each and every person that can that they more that many people are facing same problem. So I want to tell you guys, I want to say you these things. Most of the cases they don't know how to speak, they don't dare, because they people know, but they are not talking with us, like they are not, they were not creating a creating environment in our college or in what, but they always arguing with us and they always trying to do these things. And after that they will tell to negative thought, means you have a this negative quality, you don't, they are not seeing any other positive quality, they only seeing this quality only. Because that situation was my result was 90 above, and 90% was increased. Most of the students are loved to me, and they were, means they like my sessions, they like my classes, and they students always try to understand my feelings, means they always like to my class. And so i I want to say you in this, I had and dare, I had and fear, and I already overcome this fear. And right now I'm okay. I can able to speak each and everything and each and everywhere with each and every one, and I don't have any fear right now. And see, seriously, this is a happy situation for me. When I was in that situation, I was little bit insecure. When you speaking these sentences, trying to be speak, used simple, easy and simple words like I am, he is. Okay, a basic word. You don't know the meaning. You don't know where to use is, are, where to use have, has. I was one problem. I don't know about where to use have word, has word. So I cleared those things, and basically I started my journey with have word. HAV have word, has word, because she has many capability. Okay, she has many of darings to dare to present by herself, and I have and many of darings to present myself. So I am using with I word have, and you can use has word with she. She has. She has a good girl. He has a good boy. We have a family, and we I have my own laptop. Like means I am using here, I've already used here has and have word. So most of the people we all clear that where to use has word, where to use have word. All right, and I'm going to tell you in this situation you can use can, means you learned in this session can where to use can word, where to use have word, and where to use has word. So start your journey with these three words and use in your routine regularly, and please let me know in a comment if you are using in your journey these three words. You will be able to speak fluently soon. So, thank you all and nice to speak with you. So, click on the subscribe button and follow me on YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you very much, all. Bye bye. See you soon. Have a good day.